www.treeremovals.com. At it again. Got an all-star Benny boy. Dropping brush. Gonna remove this ash tree. Gonna trim out the other. Trim all the mulberries as well. I'll give you an update. They have that bevel twist. You have to untwist. That makes it before you do What's that? A metal piece over here? It can. Removaltrees.com. Got the crew out here in full force. One on the roof, three on the ground, another one in the tree. Of course, you got me. Just did this tree. Came out beautiful, as always. When you hire a tree surgeon, visit us on the web, www.removaltrees.com, as well as atreesurgeon.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day. If you want your trees to end up looking as beautiful as these ones, then see that one. This one looked like that one before it was done. You can see it's completely shaped beautifully. Alright, we're gonna go do some chipping out front. Thanks for watching. .com. Just finishing up my buddy's tree job that we did. Sun's kind of getting at me. Ash tree looks gorgeous, as you can see. Oh, there we go. Look at the beauty inside. Look at that baby. We got the mulberry that came out amazing, and the other mulberry. in the back there. Alright, and then we're going to grind the stump on the ash we removed.